Hello guys, I'm back. Medyo natagal lang mag-upload ng bagong video dahil uh, kasakit, galing ko lang sa sakit. So anyway, our topic for this video is manometers. Okay, so let's take a look at this figure. So meron tayong, parang meron tayong pipe, okay, and then may nakakabit dito na uh, device which is yung ating manometer. So if tingnan natin siya sa view na to towards this direction, so pwede ito yung, parang ito yung nakita nating pipe na. Then this one is okay, zoom ko lang. Okay. So this one is called uh, piezometer. O iba-iba yung bigkas dito sa uh, device na to, no? Pero papakinggan natin dito kay dictionary.
Piezometer.
Piezometer. Yung isa kasi piezometer. So, piezometer pala. Okay, so anyway, yung piezometer is uh, it's a device to measure yung tinatawag nating heads or um, yung column of liquid that will produce that pressure na hinahanap natin. Okay? Then, ito namang uh, this is a YouTube manometer, an open type manometer kasi yung itong part na to is okay, exposed lang sa atmosphere. Okay. Then naglalagay tayo normally dito ng different type of fluid or liquid uh, of much higher density para hindi masyadong mataas yung head or yung height na makukuha natin dito. Okay. So kung ito is puro water lang, so hindi siya iba dito sa piezometer natin. So magiging pares lang sila. Okay. So pag masyadong mataas ang pressure, masyadong mataas yung magiging height or yung column ng liquid natin dito. So masyadong mataas yung piezometer. So to reduce yung height na yon, so naglalagay tayo ng so common na ginagamit sa mga example is mercury. So much denser siya. Okay, then this is differential manometer. So connected siya sa dalawang pipe. So it is not necessary to determine yung kung ano mismo yung pressure, no, doon sa center ng pipe natin. So kinukuha na lang natin yung difference in pressure between those two pipes. Hence differential manometer. Okay. So I suppose meron na tayong ano, no, alam na natin yung principle of hydrostatic pressure. So yung prerequisite natin for this topic. So konting review lang naman na yung pressure natin, okay, pressure is proportional dun sa depth or yung height ng lick ng fluid na kino-consider natin. So unit weight times height h. Okay. Okay, so the pronunciation P as meter. So let's have this first example. Dito ko lang konti. Okay. So find the pressure of the pipe A at the center of the pipe A. Okay. So this is um, water. Okay. Okay. So this is water. Mhm. Water then. Then hindi ko lang nailagay, no. So this is oil with specific gravity of 0.8. Okay. Then this is mercury. So with a specific gravity of 13.6. Okay. So um since hindi naman sinabi na ano, no, what is the absolute pressure, so that's automatically the gauge pressure yung pinag-usapan natin. Okay, so pwede tayong mag-start kahit saan natin gusto, no? Pwede dito sa may opening pababa dito, taas, papunta dito sa may point A or from point A papunta dun sa may opening natin. Okay? So, simulan ko na lang dito sa may opening ng ating manometer. So, pressure at point 1. Okay. So, pressure at point 1. Although, alam natin na 0 yan, no? Pero isulat ko muna. Pressure at point 1. Then, from point 1 to point 2. So, pag bumaba tayo, so again, alam natin na nag increase yung pressure natin. So, by how much? Okay. So, dito, based dito sa may depth ng water natin or ng liquid. So, which is, ang madadagdag sa pressure natin is yung unit weight ng water times nung height ng water na um, 0.9 meter. Okay, so, in terms of meter na lang kasi unit weight natin is kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay, then from point 2, pababa dito sa may point 3 natin, so mercury na tayo. So, madadagdagan ulit yung ating pressure. Okay, which is equal to unit weight ng mercury multiplied by the depth na ibinaba natin which is so dalawang 30 cm, so that's 0.6 meter. Okay. So, bakit inalis na natin itong nasa ilalim? So, kung isusulat kasi natin yan, bababa tayo from this point, from point 3 papunta dito sa ilalim. Let's say at height, let's say y. So, unit weight, pag bumaba tayo, mag-increase tayo. So, plus unit weight ng mercury. Then, yung binaba natin na depth is y. Tapos, kung nandito tayo sa kabilang side, tataas tayo, same height. Pag tumataas, nababawasan yung pressure. So, same pa rin, mercury, unit weight ng mercury times nung height y. So, mata natin magka-cancel out lang naman itong dalawa. So, that's why kapag homogeneous, same level, so, inaalis na natin siya sa equation natin. Okay, so, pwede na tayong mag-transfer dito sa kabilang sides. Consider pa natin as point 3. So, going up, papuntang point 4. So, tumaas tayo. Ang dinaanan naman natin ngayon is oil. So, mababawasan yung pressure natin. So, minus unit weight ng oil times nung height ng oil na. So, 150 plus 30. So, 180 or 1.8 meter. Okay. Then, from point 4, papunta dun sa kabilang side. So, point 4 pa rin tayo dito. Again, homogeneous liquid. Then, bababa ulit tayo papuntang point A. Pag bumaba, mag-increase na naman yung ating pressure by the unit weight of water times nung height ng water natin na 1.5 meter. So, saan tayo nag-stop? Sa point A. So, all of these are equal to pressure sa point A. So, sa akin, mas prefer ko yung ganyang flow ng solution. Okay? So, this is 0. So, kung i-rearrange natin, iunahin ko na dito yung pressure sa point A. Okay? So, wala namang mababago sa sign natin. So, unit weight ng water is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter multiplied by 0.9 meter plus unit weight ng mercury. So, given yung specific gravity. So, paano natin kinukuha yung unit weight ng mercury or any liquid given their specific gravity. So, again, yung specific gravity natin, konting review lang, no, is equal dun sa unit weight ng nung substance natin over the unit weight of water. So, kung hinahanap natin is yung unit weight ng any substance, so yung specific gravity will be multiplied lang nitong unit weight ng water. Okay? Again, this is point 1, this is point 2, this is papuntang point 3, papuntang point 4, then ito pababa na to sa may point A. Okay. So, unit weight ng mercury is 13.6 times unit weight ng water na 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter times ng height natin na 0.6 meter. Then, minus, so lagay ko na natin sa baba. Unit weight ng oil is yung specific gravity ng oil na 0.8 multiplied by unit weight pa rin ng water, 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter times ng height natin na 1.8 meter. Okay, then plus, so ito na tayo. Unit weight ng water, 9.81 multiplied natin ng 1.5 meter. Okay, so solve natin sa calculator, then we will have 9.81 times 0.9 plus 13.6 times 9.81 okay, times 0.6 then minus 0.8 times 9.81 times 1.8 plus 9.81 times 1.5. Okay, so we have 89.4672. So anong unit natin? So check natin. So meter over meter cube is magiging meter squared. Meter over meter cube o magiging over meter squared. So para saan to? Meter squared. Meter squared. So kilonewton per meter squared lahat ng unit natin. Okay. Or that is kilopascal. Okay. So that's one way in solving yung manometer natin in terms of summation ng pressures natin. So yung iba naman, ibang approach natin is in terms of pressure heads. Okay. So ano ulit yung pressure head natin? Yung pressure head is yung height or yung column nung liquid na magpo-produce nung specific kung anumang pressure na given. Okay? So, again, going back, yung pressure natin is unit weight ng liquid times ng height. So, itong height yung ating pressure head, which is equal to pressure over the unit weight. Okay. So, paano tayo mag-convert ng pressure head of one liquid to another liquid? Although na-discuss ko naman ito dun sa previous video ko, no? But anyway, so, kung magko-convert tayo ng pressure heads, they should have the same pressure. Okay? So, pressure 1 should be equal to pressure of liquid 1 should be equal to the pressure of liquid 2. Okay, so unit weight ng liquid 1, height ng liquid 1 should be equal to unit weight ng liquid 2, then height ng liquid 2. Okay? So let's say yung liquid 1 is convert natin to equivalent height niya nung liquid 2. Okay? So yung height ng liquid 2 will be equal to, so bababa lang naman natin to, di ba? Bababa lang natin doon. So unit weight ng liquid 1, height ng liquid 1 over nung unit weight ng liquid 2. Okay. So kung i-divide natin both the numerator and denominator ng unit weight ng water over unit weight ng water, so ano makukuha natin? So again, this will be unit weight ng any liquid divided by the unit weight ng water is yung specific gravity ng liquid natin. So specific gravity 1, height 1 over specific gravity 2. Okay. So, in this example, yung liquid natin dun sa point A is water. So, mas maganda kung i-convert natin lahat ng pressure heads natin in terms of pressure head ng water. Okay? So, magsimula tayo dito. So, mas madali kasi kapag pressure heads na lang yung pinag-usapan natin. Puro heights na lang tayo. Okay? So, simulan ko pa rin doon sa may pressure sa point 1. So, pressure head sa point 1. So, since exposed siya sa atmosphere, then yung gauge pressure natin dyan is 0. But again, sulat ko pa rin. Pressure sa point 1. How do we convert yung pressure to pressure head? So, di-divide lang natin. Pag yung pressure head, divide natin ng unit weight. So, makakuha natin yung ating pressure head. So, in terms of water tayo, so yung pressure sa point 1 is i-divide natin ng unit weight ng water. Okay, so that's pressure head ng water. Okay. So, pag bumaba, again, plus pa rin. So, plus. So, since this is water, hindi mo na siya i-convert, no? Yan na mismo yung gamitin natin. Ito na yung pressure head ng water natin. So, bumaba tayo, tataas pa rin ang pressure, yung pressure head. So, madadagdagan lang to ng 0.9 meter. Okay, so, mas madali, no? Dahil height lang yung sinilagay natin dito. Okay, then from point 2 to point 3, so iba na yung liquid natin. Mercury na tayo. So, i-convert natin tong 60 cm or 0.6 meter na height ng mercury to its equivalent height ng water. So, paano natin gagawin yun? So, let's say this is height ng water. And this is specific gravity ng water. Okay? Then, this is yung specific gravity and height ng liquid na i-convert natin to height ng water. Okay, so since specific gravity ng water is 1, okay, specific gravity ng water is 1. Bakit? Kasi nga unit weight ng water over unit weight ng water. So divide mo lang ng unit weight ng water, then that's the specific gravity. Same, then that is 1. Okay. So mag-increase pa rin yung pressure. Again, specific gravity, kunin muna natin yung specific gravity times height. Okay. So that is yung ating pressure head. So we have 13.6 times height ng mercury natin na 0.6 meter. Okay. So supposedly over Okay, so supposedly over 1. Pero since 1 na yan, pwedeng hindi na natin isulat. Although nakasulat na. So anyway, so nasa point 3 na tayo. So from point 3 going to point 4. So that's oil naman. Okay. Umangat, nababawasan ng pressure pag umangat. So unahin ulit yung specific gravity na 0.8 times nung height. Excuse me. Times nung height natin na that is 1.8 meter. Okay, so over 1 pa rin. Okay, over 1. Unit weight ng water. So, mas madali no kung water kasi wala na tayong denominator. Okay, then, from point 4, sa kabilang side, point 4 pa rin. Then, bababa tayo ulit. So, this is water na. No conversion needed. Then, plus, dahil bumaba, mag-increase ang pressure. So, matadagdagan yung ating pressure head ng 1.5 meter. Okay, so saan tayo tumigil? Sa point A. Then, this will be equal to the pressure head, hindi pressure, pressure head at point A. So, yung pressure head sa point A is yung pressure sa A. Divide mo lang ng, ano tayo? Water. Okay, so divide mo ng unit weight ng water. Okay. So, again, since open tayo dito sa point 1, atmospheric pressure, so gauge pressure is 0. Gauge pressure, pinag-usapan natin. This is 0 na. So, mas madali, no? So, ilipat ko lang dito sa left side yung pressure at A over unit weight ng water. And this will be equal to, so pinagpalit lang naman, walang mababagong sign. So ano yun natin dito sa ating calculator? 0.9 plus 13.6 times 0.6, then minus 0.8 times 1.8, and plus 1.5. So meron tayong 9.12. So we have 9.12. So anong unit natin? So puro meter tayo dito. 9.12 meter. So pressure head at point A is 9.12 meters. So to determine the pressure, so i-move lang natin to dito sa tabi ng ating, i-multiply lang natin siya dito sa ating pressure head. Okay? So pressure at A equals to 9.12 meters times yung unit weight natin na 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay, so meter, okay, over meter cube is meter squared. Kilonewton per meter squared is kilo Pascal. Okay, so 9.12 times 9.81. Natin kung pares pa rin. Okay, so we arrive at the same pressure. Oops. Pressure at A is 89.4672 kilopascal. Okay, so regardless kung anong solution natin, so pares pa rin yan. So ano yung mas madali, para mas madali yung in terms of pressure head, no? Rather than dito, nakasulat lahat ng 9.81. Although pwede mo naman i-factor out lahat ng unit weight ng water dito. Okay, so parang ganito rin yung lalabas dyan. Okay, so let's proceed with our next example.